everybody, welcome back to Freshfield Fitness YouTube channel. I'm back again with another short 10-minute session that you can follow along at home. So a great way to start our New Year Tai Chi practice. We're going to focus on just some basic Tai Chi movements to get our bodies moving in a gentle, low impact way. This is Tai Chi that's great for older people, for seniors, people that may be nursing an injury. So it's very gentle on your body and easy on your joints. So I hope you'll follow along with me. We're going to combine Tai Chi and Qigong today so that we can benefit from that mindful movement. So if you'd like to start with your feet slightly wider than hip width, just take a moment to think about your posture, grounding and rooting your feet to the floor, lifting up through the crown. And do remember to keep all your joints tension free and listen to your own body and keep everything well within your comfort zone. We're going to raise one arm, palm facing up to shoulder height and then push down. Let's repeat that with the other hand. And then we're going to do both together, just to shoulder height, turn and push down. So focus on the palm so we can connect that mind to body. Breathing inhale here and exhale, so taking a moment to calm everything down, slowing down the breath. Let's go again. And visualize like we're moving our hands through water. So we'd be pushing through that water. There'd be a natural resistance against our arm movement. This time we're going to add a little knee bend, sinking into our horse stance. So still keeping the posture tall as we sink and lower into that knee bend. Inhale and exhale down. So if you like, you can take your feet slightly wider and sink into a deeper horse stance. So whatever suits you best. Really feeling the movement. This time we're going to take our hands all the way up to the top and then all the way down. Let's do that again. So taking your time, nice stretch high, keeping the shoulders down and relax. And one more time. We're going to take it to our side bow. So transferring the weight over to one side, bending the knee but still keeping our posture high to low. And just listening to the knees, making sure it feels comfortable and not bending too far. And then make some fists. Turn the waist and punch, bringing it back to center. So keeping the elbows soft as we punch. And if you like an added challenge, we can stay low in our horse stance. So keeping the knees bent. Let's do one more on each side. I'd like you to move the weight over so that we can step into our bow stance. So I'll keep mine on the diagonal so that you can see the position about hip width apart, a lunge forwards, and just keep an eye on this knee so it's not coming forwards over the toe. And again, keeping the fists, we're going to circle the hands around and bring them up to our double punch and then bring them back as we transfer the weight back. So forwards into our bow stance and then back to the hips. So nice and strong. And then this time, changing legs. So over to the other side, get yourself into a nice bow stance here. Bringing our fists in, over to double punch. And then bringing it round to our hips. Still keeping the posture nice and tall. And one more. We're going to return to our horse stance. And I'd like you to cup your hands together, one on top of the other. We're bringing one hand up. And then we're going to draw a line straight down our midline, the centre here. Sink into your horse stance. And once we get to the chest, we'll swap the hands. And bring it all the way down. So nice stretch high, but keeping the shoulders down, everything relaxed. And just bending the knees to wherever suits you best. And then let's take both hands and relax as we come down. Bringing the feet together. So this is a good one for our balance. We're going to rise up and down onto the balls of our feet. So trying to look for strong straight ankles as we rise up and down. So you can always use a wall to hold on to, or a sturdy chair. So you've just got your fingertips helping you balance. Really feel this core working strong, pulling your belly button through to spine. So I'll turn around the other side and repeat. So nice, strong, straight ankles. We're fighting to keep them together as we rise up onto the balls of our feet. Good posture. And then I'll face you and we'll do some more and we'll add our wild geese flying arms and relax and again. Let's do one more. We're going to take our feet out to the sides again, but use that alternating bow stance, holding our chi ball, and we're going to push it as we step into our bow stance. So really focus on the hands, draw the ball back in, and let's go the other way. So really push the ball out. Like we're pushing a force field of energy away from us. And keeping the breathing nice and calm. So heel toe into your bow stance. And again, heel toe. And final one. Let's hook the tree into our horse stance. So taking your feet slightly wider, you can always sink into that deeper horse stance. And one more. And then bring it all the way around. And bring it into our dantian, the centre of our energy. Thanks for joining me again, guys. I hope you've enjoyed that very gentle, low impact Tai Chi and Qigong mixed together into our 10-minute session. I hope you've enjoyed following along this Tai Chi at home session. Do subscribe. Remember, it really helps support my small channel here. Take care and I'll see you soon.